Let me now get you the latest in businessman Raj Kundra's alleged porn investigations, the porn business investigations. Actor Shilpa Shetty, his wife, is learned to have broken down when the Mumbai Police Crime Branch brought her husband Raj Kundra home for face-to-face questioning. Police are probing the financial dealings and joint accounts where money flow is perhaps, and according to Mumbai police sources, into crores of rupees, and this was a joint account. Mumbai police sources say Shilpa Shetty broke down seeing Raj Kundra. She shouted at him for bringing shame to the family.
They are Tinseltown's power couple. But a porn scandal has rocked their life. It was the ill-fated night of July 18. Raj Kundra was put behind bars after grilling by the cops. And since then, the porn scandal has only become bigger, and each day is a new nightmare for the couple. Raj Kundra was seen as the director of this dirty picture, and questions were raised about his wife Shilpa's involvement in the case. And crime branch officials did come to question Shilpa at her Juhu residence. And along with them, they brought her husband, Raj Kundra. It was expected that emotions would flare up as Shilpa was seeing her husband after almost a week. And the Bollywood diva indeed had a meltdown. Yelling at her husband, Raj, she screamed, "Why did you do this?" A deeply emotional Shilpa told Raj that the case has brought shame to the family and this has affected the business as investors have now started backing off. A distraught Raj Kundra retorted, "I am innocent and the case against me doesn't stand." He went on to say that he never made porn but only erotic films. Shilpa did buy Raj's defense and told the cops that her husband was not making porn films. During the 6 hours questioning, the Bollywood diva mentioned that porn and erotica are different. She also pointed out towards extremely sleazy content on many OTT platforms and web series. Shilpa denied any involvement in the case and claimed that she has nothing to do with Kundra's app, Hot Shots. The cops recorded her statement and said that they couldn't find any evidence against her and won't question her again, at least for now. The cops in a way have given Shilpa a clean chit, but allegations against her husband Raj Kundra are only mounting. Tears, family drama and raging porn scandal probe. This is no less than a Bollywood film itself. With Saurav Vaktania in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
And Raj Kundra's porn scandal has exposed Bollywood's dirty underbelly. It has brought erotic content industry running almost parallel to mainstream Bollywood to limelight. Industry sources tell India Today that these films are shot on proper schedules finalized by makers who hire artists, and the final film is sold on various platforms at a huge profit.
They are Tinseltown's power couple. But a porn scandal has rocked their life. It was the ill-fated night of July 18. Raj Kundra was put behind bars after grilling by the cops. And since then, the porn scandal has only become bigger, and each day is a new nightmare for the couple. Raj Kundra was seen as the director of this dirty picture, and questions were raised about his wife Shilpa's involvement in the case. And crime branch officials did come to question Shilpa at her Juhu residence. And along with them, they brought her husband, Raj Kundra. It was expected that emotions would flare up as Shilpa was seeing her husband after almost a week. And the Bollywood diva indeed had a meltdown. Yelling at her husband Raj, she screamed, "Why did you do this?" A deeply emotional Shilpa told Raj that the case has brought shame to the family and this has affected the business as investors have now started backing off. A distraught Raj Kundra retorted, "I am innocent and the case against me doesn't stand." He went on to say that he never made porn but only erotic films. Shilpa did buy Raj's defense and told the cops that her husband was not making porn films. During the 6 hours questioning, the Bollywood diva mentioned that porn and erotica are different. She also pointed out towards extremely sleazy content on many OTT platforms and web series. Shilpa denied any involvement in the case and claimed that she has nothing to do with Kundra's app Hot Shots. The cops recorded her statement and said that they couldn't find any evidence against her and won't question her again, at least for now. The cops in a way have given Shilpa a clean chit, but allegations against her husband Raj Kundra are only mounting. Tears, family drama and raging porn scandal probe. This is no less than a Bollywood film itself. With Saurav Aktania in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
And actor Zoya Rathore, she has worked with OTT platforms. She is a vocal critic of the exploitation of young actors that they've alleged to have suffered in the adult entertainment industry. Zoya Rathore now joins me for more on this. Zoya, what more can you tell us? First, your reaction to police investigations and how were actors exploited? We are told that there was a contract and actors knew what was expected of them.
Yes, actually, first answer your question. I'm very, very happy that this all has been exposed because the way it was actually offered to us when I was informed that this is what only is going on right now. That was way back in 2020 after COVID situation where things were really bad when it came to financial constraints on everyone, especially for the actors like us. There were no serials being shot, no auditions, nothing. Theaters were closed. So what was only going on was this OTT, which I was informed, and then they told us that there is a certain exposed level to it because these OTT platforms are operated from international level.
Okay.
And the servers are internationally based, so you have nothing to worry about it. Nobody is going to question you here. Because I knew to some extent, I really don't know what was it, but I know that pornography was illegal in India. So that's what came into my mind as to what exactly. I mean, you're telling me that you have to do this, have to do that. But
so what was this and that you were asked to do? Who contacted you? Actor and producer Gehna Vashish says that this is not porn, this is erotica. So who approached you and what was their expectation?
First of all, I was contacted by my very known director, one of my very known director.
Okay.
I knew him from way back 2014-15, but I never worked with him. So he searched for my number and he contacted me that, Zoya, what you're doing at home? Girls are working so fine and we have these OTT platforms. You have whatever you have done that you just have to do little more bolder, because I have done some bold subjects. It was all released movies. So they said that okay, fine, you have to do little more bold. I said, what is little more bold? How is it? Then I'll explain it to you. You have to trust me. And because I knew this guy, so I said, okay, fine, I know him. So let's go and do it, because this is what is going on and it will be fun shooting. Because for me, shooting was a passion. So when I came to the set, they said that, okay, fine, this is the subject, this is what is the story. But what you have to do is you have to be without clothes, like throughout. I mean, that was not I have done before. So then we are going to take some beauty shots and all. It's not going to be visible, completely, and it's like just going to be, blurred. And they showed us a very, beautiful picture of it.
Okay.
But when it came out, and this movie was for Yash Thakur. This web series was for Yash Thakur, and it was his channel's name was Fleas that time, and then he's changed it to New Flex. So this was one of the, I don't know. What I have understood right now after all this coming out, as to everything was like correlated, or I don't know what exactly it is, but then these channels were coming, From where I don't know.
So
But
were you
later
paid? Did they sign a contract? Was there a proper contract that said that this is what you're supposed to do and this is what you'll get paid for it?
Yes, these guys, that Hotted guys, they were news sometime back. They were arrested in February. So when I came into this, then, slowly these guys also contacted, and then they showed us some papers, some legal documents, where they mentioned that it has been notarized by the lawyers, and yeah, you don't have to worry about anything. So I questioned them so many times as to, I'm not feeling this right. I mean, whatever you guys are doing. So they're saying, no, you don't have to worry, and don't worry. They said, and those were the first ones who were behind bars. So now when it has brought me into a level of just being a small actor. It made me into, it tagged me as a porn star. And I really don't want it to be like that. I mean, this was something which they took advantage of the situation, of the want, of the need of the actors, not only me. See, I'm coming forward and I'm talking to you. There are many girls who don't want to talk, don't want to speak about it. But I know that this is something which was wrong at that
Okay.
time. Also, I knew. And that's the reason why I'm here talking to you, because this was what was presented to us in a very nice plate as to, this is what we have to serve you and you have to eat this.
Okay.
So if I'm hungry, I have to eat that, whatever I'm served.
Okay, so has the Mumbai police contacted you? Mumbai police is seeking the cooperation of actors who may have been exploited in the name of erotica, but it was actually, according to the Mumbai police, an alleged porn racket. Now, did you ever come in contact either with Raj Kundra or with others associated with him?
Not with Raj Kundra, but yes, Umesh Kamath did contact me, and now I heard that Umesh Kamath was related to Raj Kundra in business manner. So that time when Umesh was talking to me, it was very weird, because he used to call me on a WhatsApp call, and then he used to say that I want to cast you for an international web series, which is, he used to show me very rosy picture. And whenever any guy talks to me very rosy, especially when I don't know him, obviously I be very, very cautious. So I was cautiously listening to him, not trusting him at all. And then I was confirmed that he is not the right person when he told me that I'm going to do a video call to you and you have to be nude in that video call, because our substance is that way, our content is that way. So I want to see you, without clothes. So I said, I'm sorry, this is not the way it works. This is not the audition that I can do it like nude on a call or something. So then I tried to avoid him. And then after just like 2 days before his arrest, I think he was also arrested in February.
Okay.
So 2 days before of his arrest, he was just after
So are you
me.
joining investigations? Are you cooperating with the Mumbai police?
No, police hasn't contacted me yet, and I like, we all were like scared. I mean, all the actors, they said that their police had got a long list, to contact the actors to reach these guys, the makers,
Okay.
because like we are not. As if I know that this what you call pornography is illegal in India. If
Yes.
you're publishing it, if you're promoting it to different age groups, and we were not publishing it at all. We don't even wanted to do that. I mean, I don't want about others, but I especially don't want to do it. But we
Okay.
were like, we were given only this. I mean, you have to do this because there's nothing else. If you are not doing it, you'll be sitting at home and somebody else is going to earn and take away the money. This is
Okay.
that I put it in our heads, in my head at least. And of course, here, I mean, I sitting at home, and it was too
Yes.
much pressure at that time. So
Which is why you say
then
you did it. Okay, Zoya, for the moment, many thanks for joining me here on India Today. Let me get you another report on these investigations. Raj Kundra's porn scandal probe has now intensified. The finances of not just Raj Kundra, but also actor Shilpa Shetty, according to the Mumbai police, are under the scanner. The Maharashtra police have appointed a financial auditor to look into the money trail, which allegedly runs from the United Kingdom to India and is also said to be linked to cricket betting. Raj Kundra has now been remanded to 14 days in judicial custody.
The sleazy saga of Raj Kundra's dirty picture unravels. As the porn scandal explodes, Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra's finances are now under the scanner. Mumbai Police Crime Branch has now appointed a financial auditor to scan the business tycoon's money trail. Sources in the crime branch have pointed to allegedly shady financial transactions running into crores of rupees. Money was first transferred to Kenrin, a UK-based firm which brought Kundra's porn app Hot Shots. The money was routed to India to different accounts. The crime branch also alleges that an online cricket betting company also credited money to Raj Kundra's bank account. The investigators have claimed transactions were made into different accounts, one of which is co-owned by Raj Kundra and his wife, actor Shilpa Shetty. That's not all. Mumbai police claim Kundra had dumped his mobile phone when the porn ring was busted in February and handed a new phone that was bought in March to the investigators. The old phone could have helped cops gain access to all call details, messages, videos and images. All that could have proved to be incriminating evidence linked to the porn racket.
Crime branch sources are also telling that after this case and after the hotshot got shut down, Raj Kundra's plan B was ready. He was busy in making different contents.
A lot of evidence related to the porn scandal have been recovered in search of operations by the crime branch. But cops maintain Raj Kundra is not cooperating and has been evasive on his involvement in the porn film business. Kundra has even filed a plea in the Bombay High Court, alleging he was arrested without being summoned. Bureau Report, India Today.